everyone, welcome to Assault Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This reading is for the Zodiac sign Capricorns for the month of February 2021. Kindly ignore the background sound, guys. Okay, so yeah. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have a Vastu done of your place by any chance in India, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so this is the reading for the month of February 2021 for the Zodiac sign Capricorns. Let's start the reading, guys. So what are you going through in the month of February, Capricorns? There is a less or no communication. There is an urge to travel, to explore, to go to a new place. But there is a restriction, either less or no communication or restriction in traveling in the month of February. You are willing to relocate, you are willing to shift, or you are willing to travel, but there is a restriction for the same. If you follow the present plan, what will be the likely outcome of the situation? Okay, so you are no more concerned about money in the month of February. You are just thinking of to have a heart-to-heart communication with someone, or to just focusing on relationship in the month of February. You are you'll feel weak in the month of February. That means that you are not going to be into your own power in the month of February. What do you want to know about your career, relationship, or your health? You want a new beginning into your life. Okay, there is a new beginning you are waiting for, but I think the other person or your partner, there is a restriction in a movement. Someone is not coming towards you, or you want a new beginning with someone, but there is a blockage in moving forward. Okay, there is a restriction in a movement or moving forward into a life or taking an action towards a new beginning. There is a restriction. You want it, but your partner is not coming towards you, or else you are unable to take an action towards your partner. Okay, so that something is related to that is happening for you, sure. What do you need to do to change or to improve the situation? You need to trust your intuition level, which you are not trusting, guys. No more waiting game. I think if you are waiting for someone, you should not wait for someone, and you should trust on your intuition level more rather than thinking about something else. Okay, tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Okay, they want a clarity towards you. They want a new beginning with you. Okay, but I think there is still a restriction has been blocked. There is a blockage in the movement. Either they are unable to come towards you, or you are unable to go towards them. So there is a blockages when it comes to your new beginning. Both of you, either of one person or both of you wants a new beginning with each other, but there is a blockages or restrictions. Okay, so yeah, where this relationship might be going, this relationship, I think a lot of clarity you are gaining, Capricorns. A lot of release of stress, anxiety issues, sleepless nights. You are thinking to release it, or you should release it. If you are having a lot of sleepless nights, anxiety issues, problems, tensions, then I would suggest you that in the month of February you should try releasing all these tensions, problems, anxiety issues, depressed feelings, worriness. Okay, that is there. What should you focus on from now onwards? You need to focus on manifesting your wish. There is a new beginning which is waiting for you. Okay, you need to focus on that, because there is something, you are feeling hopeless in a situation, or you're feeling very much that your wishes are not getting fulfilled. Okay, there's a blockage in manifesting. Okay, but I would suggest you keep on manifesting, not this month but in the upcoming months. For sure your wishes and your hopes will come to true. You know, it will become true. You will be manifesting it, but it will take 1 month or 2 months of time for your manifestation or for your wish to get fulfilled. Okay, yeah. What are your hopes and fears? 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 Okay, so your hope and fear is that you are waiting for some sort of a money to be recovered. There's a lot of disappointments as there when it comes to recovering of money, and I think, you know, money, you are waiting for a right time to recover your money, and that is creating a lot of disappointment for you. Okay, you're just waiting, hoping, believing. Also, this is a fear for you that that money will get recovered or not. You're thinking about money, you're waiting for a money, certain sort of money to be recovered, which is taking a lot of time and which is giving you a lot of disappointments, Capricorns. What is the likely outcome for this month? 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 Okay, so the likely outcome will be that your third eye chakra is opening. If you are creating a blockage into that third eye chakra or your healing or your spiritual path, this is not good. Stop creating blockages in the spiritual path. You are going through some spiritual path, but at the same time you are creating blockages for yourself, which you should not do, guys. Just make sure about it. Stop creating blockages for this month, because I think in the month of February you will create a lot of blockages for yourself when it comes to, you know, opening up of a third eye chakra or getting healed or going through the spiritual path. That's the thing. Okay, so what does the spirits wants to guide you for this month? Spiritual messages for this month for you guys. Spiritual message for this month for you guys, Capricorns. Spiritual message for this month for you guys. You have to take an action, guys, towards someone or something, either a career or relationship. You know it better with which path you want to take action in. Okay, you're thinking about it but you're not taking action towards it. Okay, so wait, guys, just give me 1 second. So a lot of, you know, guys, I just want to tell you that Capricorns, your spiritual message is that you need to take an action towards someone or something in the month of February. Okay, you know it better towards whom you want to take an action, but you have to take an action. You just cannot sit and cannot overthink and not taking any action. You need to take an action towards someone or something, and you guys know it somewhere. Okay, I am just a mediator to tell you guys. Okay, whatever you are thinking, take action towards it. You should think about it. You are planning it in the head but you are not taking action. What is this? You are a very cheerful energy, Capricorns. Trust the creativity within you. You know, there is a passion which is waiting for you. Okay, trust the creativity within you. Okay, release the third party situation. If someone is dealing with a third party situation, in-laws, parents, you know, family members, or a third lover or a neighbor, release the third party situation. Focus on your own creativity. Okay, something is ending, something is beginning. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. You will be thinking to take an action towards someone or something. I think that will be a new beginning for you. Okay, you will be thinking to end a pattern or a relationship or something. So there is some end of something and a new beginning of something for sure. Okay, yes, you go with the flow, juggling between two choices, two options, two decisions, two connections in the month of February, but at the same time you just go with the flow. Do not get confused, because universe has a better plans for you. Okay, just go with the flow. That is what I would suggest you. Yes, stop being emotional fool. Capricorns. Okay, think from mind space. Be practical. Do not be a fool or on being an emotional person. Okay, don't take decisions from your heart space. Take decisions from your mind space. Do not be fooled by your emotions. Take major decisions from your mind. Be practical. Do not be emotional. That is what my suggestion would be for you guys. So let's check it out what universe has to say. Guys, sorry for the background sound. I cannot help it out. This is the process. What universe has to say? Let me check it out. What universe needs to say? What universe needs to say? Guys, avoid the background sound, guys. Okay. Okay. So guys, there are 4 cards which I have popped out. Sorry for the background sound. I cannot help it out. Okay, that's why I'm telling you guys. Okay, so the first universal message is there's nothing sexier than my authentic truth. Just be honest and be truthful to yourself. Okay, even if you don't feel that others are truthful towards you or not, just be truthful to yourself, because universe will give you the results. Okay, the second message is my fearless freedom lights up the world. Be fearless and do not think about anyone or anything. Whatever you want to do it. Self-love and self-care, and freedom is important in if you love yourself more. Okay, that automatically comes within you for sure. The third universal message is there's a stream of love supporting my dreams. A lot of dreams you have, and I think God will make a path towards you to bring to bring those dreams to a proper reality. Okay. The next universal message for you guys is that in any moment I can surrender to the powerful presence of love through prayer, contemplation and stillness. Sometimes whenever you feel low, guys, just keep on praying, or just think on contemplating about certain things. I think those things will help you to bring your manifestations or your wish to be fulfilled soon. Yeah, I think your wishes will get fulfilled soon through the prayers. Okay, that is my suggestion. So guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and kindly sorry guys for the background sound you have seen. I cannot help it out because there are a lot of guests at my house right now, so I cannot help it out. So yeah, thank you so much. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye.